How to get a Monopoly Go link on your phone. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Monopoly Go app. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to get a Monopoly Go link, in this home screen at the bottom right, you can see this friends icon. Tap on this. Once you're in this friends and family page, in the bottom right, you can see this invite option. Tap on this. Now you're in this invite friends option. From here, you can invite your friends to join this game. You can invite them through the Facebook if your Facebook account is connected. Otherwise, you can simply get a Monopoly Go link by tapping on this yellow invite icon. The link has been generated. Copy this link. Now you can head over to any social media platform. I'll open my Instagram for now. Head over to the chat section. Now paste the code over here and you can just send it. Now the other person will get an invite of the Monopoly Go link from here. So that's a very easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more dick tips. Thank you for watching.